It's Barbie! Oh, my 6-year-old self would have given anything for a cake like this. Pink, girly, sparkly, Barbie. So on this one we've got handmade icing, edible crown, tiara topper, some little bows, a custom topper for the birthday girl, River, what a beautiful name. And then Barbie herself. And then all the way around is this pillowed, quilted effect, which is just stunning. Takes an age to do, but so worth it in the end. I mean, just look at that. Gorgeous. Pink. As you can probably tell, pink's my favourite colour. All my accessories in my kitchen are pink. So it was an absolute joy to do this one. Barbie!